Whoa!
Welcome back. Winter does not give warnings. Snow builds quietly. Weight adds up fast. That roof looks calm. It isn't. One pull. One step too close. And everything lets go. That is not snow falling. That is gravity taking control. Today, massive roof avalanches. Dangerous snow removal. And winter doing what it always does. Punish mistakes. Whoa. Oh no. That top layer is already detached. You can see the crack line. Once it breaks loose, there's nowhere safe to stand. He's trying to get it to slide. That's the goal. The problem is, he's standing exactly where it will land. All that weight has one direction. Down. Snow looks light. But this is compacted ice. Weeks of buildup. Thousands of pounds. And there it goes. That sound tells you everything. That isn't soft snow. That's impact. Working smarter usually means staying out of the drop zone. This is not that. Winter doesn't care how experienced you are. One misread and it's over. That roof edge was holding less than it looked. The entire slab moved as one piece. Like a frozen curtain. You don't get a second chance when it starts sliding. That block hits hard. Hard enough to crush equipment. Hard enough to break bones. Walking near a roof edge in winter is a gamble. Most people lose eventually. This is why professionals clear from the top down. Break the tension first. Control the release. Instead of hacking at it, he shaved just enough. And let gravity finish the job. Clean drop. Good timing. That's how it's supposed to look. But not everyone waits. That overhang was massive. Way heavier than it appeared. Once the sun warms it slightly, the bond disappears. Oh, that was close. Standing in the fall line, even for a second, is asking for trouble. Snow doesn't slide slowly, it accelerates. That's thousands of pounds moving at once. No human reaction time can beat that. This is why winter injuries spike every year. Not storms. Mistakes. That tool is doing all the work. One clean cut. And the whole slab releases. No force. Just leverage. Compare that to standing underneath, hoping it holds. This roof was ready to go. One strike was all it needed. Perfect timing. But bad positioning. You can hear the structure react. That load was stressing it. Clearing roofs isn't about strength. It's about patience. Rushing it turns a routine job into an emergency.
This is why we like machines. Look at this machine.
It's cutting smoothly that frozen tree branch. Look, look how smooth it is cutting that one. And it's frozen. It's frozen. Can you cut it? Can you chop it with your axe? This one. Wow, wow, wow. I'm nice. And thank you if you're still watching. I'll be doing a long time without posting. But when I post, just subscribe so that you will receive notifications. Do you hear that sound? It's the sound of your windshield cracking from a hailstorm and snow. What would you do in this situation? Look how badly it got. It completely broke the rear glass and shattered it.
That edge was deceptive. Looked solid. It wasn't. Down he goes. He's lucky that slab broke away clean. If it folded, he would have gone with it. Snow absorbs water fast. Once it refreezes, the weight doubles. That's when roofs collapse. That's why timing matters. Clear too late, and gravity decides for you. Some people rely on shortcuts. Clear the top ridge, and hope the rest slides later. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't. That's the risk. This machine shaves the snow in layers. No sudden release. No surprise drop. Wait, stop. That's not sliding, that's breaking. Look at the roof line. See that crack? Yeah. That's the warning. He's still cutting. He shouldn't be cutting. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. He's losing footing. He's losing it. He's gone. No. That's a full drop. Shovel's gone. Body's gone. That's pure gravity. Look at the snow come with him. That's not powder. That's weight. And watch the guy below. Hands on his head. He knows. That's the moment it clicks. Too late. Roof just dumped its load. Whole slab. Clean break. And the guy on top. He's frozen. He's not helping. He can't. That's not panic. That's shock. This is why roofs kill people. Not fast. Not loud. Just one wrong cut. And it's over. Wait. That roof's cracked. He's still cutting. Oh no. Oh no. There. There it goes. That's not a slip. That's a fall. Look at the snow. All of it. Hands on head. He knows.
Isn't it beautiful?
That's gravity winning. Smart design beats brute force. That chunk hung on longer than expected. Everyone thought it would fall sooner. It didn't. Until it did. That moment, when everything lets go at once, is what makes this job dangerous. No warning. No control. Winter doesn't reward confidence. It rewards caution. Standing directly below a loaded roof is never safe. Ever. This is why experienced crews set exclusion zones. Nothing underneath. No one close. Because once gravity wins, you're just watching it happen. That final drop was heavier than it looked. The roof survived. The equipment barely did. And that's today. Roof snow removal. Massive avalanches. And winter reminding everyone why mistakes don't get second chances. Thanks for watching. Stay clear of the edge. See you next snowfall.